What's up guys, my name is Idan, welcome to How Much YouTube channel. Today we're gonna unbox and review the RTX 3090 Strix OC, the most powerful GPU in the world. I'm gonna set it up on my personal computer and start mining and see how much money we can make. I'm so excited because this thing is a beast. Okay guys, let's unbox it real quick. Let's see what's inside. So we have the GPU. It's very thick. I mean, look how thick this is. Probably the biggest GPU you're gonna install on your computer. And there's 3 fans right here. Let's see what else it comes with. I'm not sure what this is, some sort of a roller or something. It looks like a PCB board. It's kind of like a gift. It comes with the straps to do some cable management. And it comes with, oh wow, look at that. This is gonna go to my collection. So this is a card that you get every time you buy a GPU from Republic of Gaming. So I've been collecting those, I have quite a few. Yeah, it has the manual, you know, what you expect from any electronics pretty much. So this is my personal computer and we're gonna install the ROG Strix graphics card. It's absolutely massive and it's gonna take 3 slots pretty much. We're focusing on the mining, so we don't really care what computer it is really, or the GPU or the CPU of it. My focus is mining anyways. So I'm gonna put it in, perfect. I'm gonna put 2 screws. I'm done with the 2 screws. Now we're gonna focus on installing the 3 power sources. So we need 3 VGA power cables. It's 8 pins. This thing is hungry for power. It's over 300 watts. This is why we need 3 of them. Boom. Now I'll make sure I have plenty of fans all around this computer because this is gonna get hot. Now I'm gonna install the glass to avoid dust getting in there too much. Some people run it without it and see some better thermals, but I run it closed. All right guys, we installed the GPU. Time to turn it on. Wow. All right, looks pretty good. Now let's go do some mining, see how much money we can make with this thing. All right, we finished installing the GPU. The computer is on, recognizing the 3090. Now I installed NiceHash already. I have plenty of videos on how to do that. It's very simple. Go to NiceHash, download it. And we're gonna do some benchmarking. So to start the benchmark, I'm just simply gonna click the play on NiceHash. We have 27 different benchmarks we have to do to find out which one makes the most amount of money on the RTX 3090. So let's wait for this to finish, go back to see how much money we can make, and we're also gonna do overclocking after that. Let's go. All right guys, we waited, the benchmark is done. We're gonna soon find out how much we're gonna make from the 3090. But before we start, I wanna mention my website, bitcoinmerch.com. You can find everything you need to start mining right away, even ready to mine rigs with all the GPUs already in there and everything else you can think of regarding of mining. So check it out in the description below, and also give a like and subscribe if you haven't done that yet to our How Much YouTube channel. All right, let's go check how much we make per day. This is pre-overclocking. Let's see. All right, so it shows $3.92, which is about $120 per month income on this rig without overclocking it at all. Let's see the power consumption. So we're getting about 103 megahashes on Ethereum and we're consuming 389 watts. That's a lot, definitely not optimized. Let's do some overclocking or underclocking to get the best performance we can, most amount of hash, lowest amount of power. Let's go. Alright guys, here is our overclock settings. This is the most optimized we can get it, and also being stable at the same time. You have to test it for a few hours to make sure it's stable. So this one is the stable settings for us. We actually underclock this card to get the best performance. We actually lowered it to 80% power out of 100%. We also lowered the GPU clock speed to minus 250 megahertz. We upped the clock speeds on the memory by 1250 megahertz. Ethereum is a very memory intensive task, so when we overclock the memory, we're getting the most amount of Ethereum. But you have to make sure it's stable. So it is stable right now. We finished with overclocking. Now let's check NiceHash to see how much power consumption we get and how many mega hashes we're getting on Ethereum. So we are actually getting almost 115 mega hashes, so 114.9, which is much more than we got before. And we're only consuming 311 watts, which is 80 or 90 watts less. So we're consuming less power, getting more mega hash, and that's what we want. Very good. That translates to $4.20 per day income. So that's about $5-10 more per month, but we're consuming less power. So that's pretty good. You guys probably thinking, hey Dan, Ethereum 2.0 is coming up. You're not gonna be able to mine Ethereum anymore. And you're right. In a few months, Ethereum 2.0 will come up, but we can still mine other coins with this beast. We can mine other algorithms too, like Octopus. So on Octopus, we're actually getting 95 mega hashes, and we're consuming about 330 watts. That translates to $3.80 per day, or $114 a month. You can still make money even without Ethereum running, which is pretty cool. That means you can run this for a long time, hopefully years. That's what I'm gonna do. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to grab one of those 3090s, check the link in the description below. I have one available on bitcoinmerch.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe for How Much YouTube channel for more videos like this. Leave in the comments below what you think about the video and our clock settings. See you guys next time. Peace.